In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bracket in Google Docs. To get started, open your Google Doc and place your cursor exactly where you want the bracket to appear. This is important because whatever character you insert will show up at the current cursor position. If you already have text in the document, just click into the line or section where you want to add the bracket before moving on. Once you're in the document, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu gives you access to a lot of extra elements you can add to your document, including symbols and special characters that may not be immediately available on your keyboard. After clicking Insert, hover over Symbol. You don't need to click right away if a submenu appears. Just move your cursor over it so the next set of options becomes visible. This is where Google Docs groups various symbol-related tools. From there, click on Special Characters. A pop-up window will open, and this is the main tool you'll use if you want more bracket options than the standard ones on a keyboard. This can be especially helpful if you need a specific style of bracket for math, formatting, or technical writing. In the Special Characters window, click into the search bar and type the word bracket. As you type, Google Docs will automatically show matching characters. This saves time and makes it much easier than scrolling through a huge list of symbols manually. If you don't immediately see the exact one you need, look through the results carefully, since there may be several bracket variations available. Next, click on the bracket or brackets you want to insert. As soon as you click one, it will be added directly into your document at the cursor location you selected earlier. If you need both an opening and closing bracket, you can simply click each one in turn. You can also insert multiple brackets if needed before closing the Special Characters window. There's also a quicker option. If you only need standard brackets, you can use your keyboard instead. This is usually the fastest method for basic typing. The Special Characters tool is most useful when you need uncommon bracket styles or when you can't find the symbol you want on your keyboard. And that's it. Once you know where to find the Special Characters menu, adding brackets in Google Docs becomes very simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.